These fashion reels are getting millions of views on Instagram. And today, I'm going to show you how to create them using AI. Start by deciding which outfit or accessory you want to feature. Now open ChatGPT or Claude and ask it to write an image prompt for that outfit. Once you have it, copy that prompt and paste it into this detailed image prompt. Now go to the OpenArt website. From the image drop-down, choose Create Image option. Upload your model image, then add your clothing and accessory photos as reference images. Paste your prompt and hit Generate. Your image is ready in a few minutes. Repeat this for every outfit variation you want. Now go back to the OpenArt homepage. Open the video drop-down and select Text to Video option. Choose the Sedans 2 model, upload your images and enter your motion prompt. Set your resolution, aspect ratio and duration. Hit Generate. Your video is ready in minutes. We can also create this type of reel to promote our brand. Open GPT Image 2, attach your image, enter this prompt, and hit Generate. Create 5 to 6 images like this. For each new image, only change the outfit description. Everything else stays the same. Now open the video section. Choose the Grok video model, attach your image, enter this prompt, hit Generate. In a few minutes, your video is ready. Do this for every image. Same prompt every time. Once all videos are ready, bring them into any video editor and fine-tune the final cut. Next, we'll see how to create this type of reels. Now open Image Generation section, select GPT Image 2 model. Attach your image, enter this prompt, choose Vertical Resolution and hit Generate. Now open Video Generation section, select Sedans 2 model. Attach your reference image, enter this prompt, set your resolution and duration, and hit Generate. Your video is ready in minutes. And if you want more control, create each frame image separately. Then create a video for each one. And that's it. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this one. You can take inspiration from any of these reels and create your own version. Follow on Instagram to get more prompts.